Hi all, welcome back to Kanak Info Systems YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about automatic transfers in Odoo. Basically, automatic transfers is the process of transferring the amount from one account to another account. Now let us see how we can manage this in Odoo. So by going into accounting application, submenu or menu called accounting, under that we have submenu called automatic transfers. Here we can create new automatic transfer. We have multiple filters. We can do apply multiple custom filters as well. We can do group by and also apply from any custom filters as well, such as created on, created by, name, start date or end date. We have we have favorite section, so we can import records as well, link menu spreadsheet, also insert view in article and insert list in spreadsheet as well. So automatic transfer in Odoo 16 accounting module provides a seamless way to move amounts from one account to another account. This process may involve transferring funds from the origin account to one or multiple destination accounts with the flexibility to specify the percentage of the total amount to be specified. Now let's create new automatic transfer. By clicking on new, we can create a new automatic transfer. Now, while configuring the new automatic transfer, in the description field, here we can define a name or label for this automatic transfer. So here I am taking as monthly expense. Now in the period section, we can define start date and end date as well. In the frequency field, we can define how often the transfer should occur, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. We can also choose the journal where the accounting entries for this transfer will be recorded. Under the origin accounts, we can add lines to choose the account from which we want to transfer funds. So here, let's take as an example, we are choosing a bank account. By selecting the account, we can see the fields like account name, type, code will be auto-filled. Under the automated transfer, we can add a line and configure pattern and analytical filters as well. These filters will restrict the transfer to include only the lines from the origin account, which would further match with the specified partner and analytical accounts. We can also mention the percentage of transaction for each line. And select destination account amount to be transferred. Here I'm choosing a expense account. Mention percentage as a 5%. So basically I want to transfer 5% to the expense account. After filling all the details related to this transfer, we can activate it by clicking on the activate button. Once activating the transfer, we can view the transfer We can click on compute transfer. So we can view all the scheduled transfer related to this. Here we can see 11 transfers are created. We can see 11 transfer each. So for each month, it transfers 5% amount to the expense account. If we want to disable the transfer, we just need to click on disable. So it will be disabled. Now let's take one example as in our company we want to do a monthly expense transfer from bank account to one of our expenses account. So here in a document we can see we need to create an automatic transfer from the accounting module, define the origin account as a bank account and destination account as an expense account. We can define percentage, choose the period of the transfer, frequency, and journal as we discussed earlier. And we can do proceed automatic transfer. Let's see again, going to accounting, automated transfer. We just discussed about this, so I just need to activate it again. We can see we need to define period. Here we can define start date, end date, frequency, origin of account. In origin of account, we need to define account from where we want to transfer the amount to any destination account. So here I am choosing as a bank as I want to transfer one of amount to from bank account to expense account. So as in origin account, we need to define bank account. In automated transfer, we need to define that expense account. So in percentage, here I have mentioned 5%. So from the 5% of the bank account, I want to transfer to this expense account on a monthly basis from this miscellaneous operation. We just need to compute transfer and we can see 11 transfers are there on a monthly basis. So this is how automatic transfers works in Odoo. Thank you.